all in the first quadrant are positive. Only cos is positive and the rest are negative. Here only tan is positive and the rest are negative. Only here sine is positive and the rest are negative. Let's do some numbers. Without using tables or calculator, find the values of sine of 150. So now looking at the sine of 150 here, let's draw this. Sine of 150 lies, we start from here 0 degrees, this is 90, so 150 lies around here. So 150 degrees. So if you look at sine of 150, it's lying in the second quadrant. This is the first, so the second quadrant. So since it lies in the second quadrant, from here to there, that is theta is going to give us 150 degrees. Now what's the value of this remaining angle? The value of that remaining angle is 30 degrees. It is 30 degrees because 150 plus 30 is 180. This whole thing is 180. So 180 minus 150 get the 30 degrees. So it means that the sine of 150 is the same as the sine of 30. So you look for sine of 30. What is sine of 30 according to our trigonometrical ratios? Sine of 30 is, now according to our trigonometrical ratios, we said that the sine of 30 is a half. We did this in our previous videos. So the sine of 30 here is a half. And that's our, now is it a positive or a negative? According to what we've just explored, we say that only sine in this quadrant are positive, the rest are negative, so it's positive a half. We go to the second, tan 300. So to find the tangent of 300, we need to first find out in which quadrant is tan 300 lying in. So again, we are going to draw our grid, our unit circle, and when we move from here, 300 is, this is 0 degrees, it runs to 90, it runs to 180 degrees, then this is 270 degrees. So it means 300 degrees lies between 270 and 0 degrees. Remember, when we are taking, we say 300 degrees, we start counting that 300 from here, moving that side. 90, 180, 270. So 300 lies somewhere there in the fourth quadrant. So if 300 degrees is lying within the fourth quadrant, what angle is this that has remained? So it is going to be, here it's 360, so it's going to be 360 degrees minus this 300. Here it's 300. And then you remain with 60 degrees. So it means that here you have 60 degrees. So now, you ask yourself, they want the tangent of 300. So the tangent of 300 is the same as the tangent of this 60 degrees. And so what's the tan of 60 degrees? From our ratios earlier, we say tan of the tangent of 60 is, from our ratios we say that tan of 60 is root 3 over 1. So it means tan of 60 is root 3 over 1. Now, is this tangent root 3 over 1, is it positive or negative? Going back to this, we said that in the fourth quadrant, all the values of cos, all the cosines of those angles in the fourth quadrant are positive, and the rest are negative. So it means that this answer is negative. Negative root 3 over 1. And that's our answer, or negative root 3. This tangent of 495, still we need to identify in which quadrant does this one lie in. So we begin. So you realize that 495 degrees is even beyond 360. So it means we move one revolution, that is 360. Then plus 360, how much more are we supposed to move so that we reach 495? So 360 plus 90, what do we get? So 360 plus 90 degrees. Plus 90 degrees, we will end up with 450 here. 450 degrees, we've not yet made that thing. So we move again, plus another 90 degrees to reach that. So when we add another 90 degrees, we come here, this is 540. So meaning that this angle 495 degrees is going to lie between 450 and 540. So it means that this continues up to there, so it lies in 495 is somewhere in between here, there. So it's lying in between, it's in the second quadrant, this angle. So now after identifying that it's in the second quadrant, we need to find out this remaining angle. What is that remaining angle? Of course here, this remaining angle is going to be 540 minus 495 to get this remaining angle. And 540 minus 495 gives us 45 degrees. So we have 45 degrees. So it means that the tangent of 495 is going to be the same as the tangent of 45. From the ratios we explored before, our tan of 45 is 1. So if our tan of 45 is 1, we need to find out, is this 1, is it a positive or a negative? Now this is lying in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, only values of sine are positive, so the rest are negative. So it means that our 1 here is negative. Please remember to share this video on other video sharing platforms and also subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and this is Arnold Rangakoramia for Kisembo Academy.